So I'm on a live stream Trias super chat question talking about, is there going to be, oops, wrong one. Is there going to be a daily squeeze between daily 10, 200? Oh, that is a powerful squeeze. If it's about ready to happen. So that's a great question. Daily 10. So I use the 1 hour 200 as my daily 10. Well, right now Trias is under the daily 10, so it's not going to squeeze. Yeah, you need to use the 1 hour 200. It's better than the daily 10. Only on assets that trade 24/7 though. That's not true because it's different. The 1 hour 200 is not aligned with the daily 10 on traditional markets. Not even the futures that trade 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's not the same. It's closer to being the same, but it's not. So yeah, so right now there is no squeeze. It got rejected. So what's going to happen is it can have redemption, but it has to. So this is the squeeze. Right now, it's in a more bearish posturing to get squeezed down, but like a soap bar, just because you have it in your hands and you think you're going to squeeze it one way, that's the whole point of that analogy. You really don't know. So right now, this is the squeeze. Actually, it's even smaller. It's like this. It's going to get stuck in that pattern unless it breaks above this line. So Trias has to forcibly make up its mind by December 10th. So that's freaking in 2 days. So you're going to know within 2 days what's going to happen. It's either going to get above that line, and therefore you're going to go back into that potential squeeze. And if you do get above the line, you already know that its next target is this. Exactly this. Like that is where it'll want to run, period. Might be down here by that time. But if it doesn't get over that, it's going to fall down, and you already know where it's going to go. It's going to go to $1.50, straight to it. Not in a 1 hour, and you could have lower highs on the way. You could have a retest, but it still hit the line. Actually, I would expect a retest. I would expect a strong move down, an initial punch, and then it's going to bait people to get bullish again, and then it's going to roll over. If it gets squeezed down. I don't know which one will happen. Right now, the price is interacting very bearishly with this line. Well, no, it's actually consolidating under it, so that's not as bearish right now. So this is still bearish, this is still bearish, but now that you have a few candles stacking up here, it's not as bearish. Because if you can consolidate here, you're gonna spike right through it, and you don't need to come back down to retest it. So if you respect a resistance line from the bottom with time, which means consolidating under it, and often at the same angle. So if this were coming down and you saw a price come up to it, then consolidate. Even though it's going down, that's still a bullish consolidation. And then it goes boom. And that's what creates what people call bull flags. It just means whatever is the main thing in play that big money's looking at, it has a downward slope. And price can't get over it, but it stays close. And it's defended. And then it busts up. That's all that the bullish flag is. Whatever's in play is a downward sloping object. I still can't, it's not bullish yet, but these next, like the fact that you have 4 candles here, it does make it less bearish. It's kind of in the neutral zone. Right now, it's probably 50-50 on whether it's going to break up without using external analysis like Bitcoin. I think that it will actually break up. Its first move will be above it because Ethereum, it can't have a local top yet. But it doesn't guarantee that Trias will follow Ethereum. But I think Ethereum does give it an edge that it'll initially get above. But here's the thing. To get instantly bearish the next time it goes below here. Because it's going to go straight to this line, it'll get trapped, then it will go down. So if it does go above, the next time it goes below that 1 hour 200, it's going to go down fast, real fast. And you can tell that this is the line. I mean, look at this. Okay, look at the shape of this. See that? Wick, all the support, wick. Where's price now? What's the one thing that fits that? The one thing I put on the chart that my super chat asked for. Daily 10. Uh-oh. What did I... Oh, shit. What was that line? Maybe that wasn't the daily 10. Fucking A, what did I just do? Now I'm being stupid. Maybe that isn't the daily 10. Maybe I'm just 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour 200. Okay, yeah. So that is the daily 10. But look how perfectly that is. Look at the shape. What was causing that shape to bounce like that? This line is a big deal. Like, this is literally among the most magic lines in all of crypto is the 1 hour 200, folks. It works on almost every coin out there. Look, just fucking look at this. If you want to make trading simple, be bearish, short-term bearish, after price uses this as resistance, until it uses it as support. Maybe here. Now you're bullish. How long would have you been right taking longs off this line? Once, you would have missed that one. Twice, 3 times. There you go. Because each time this is big enough of a move to get your stop in profit. Hell yeah, 16%, your stop better be in profit, or else you're an idiot. Or you maybe not an idiot. You might be smart, but you don't know what you're doing. That was my case about 4 or 5 years ago. I've done that too. I've taken a great entry, but I didn't know how to lock in my profit or use risk management as profit taking. So yeah, I wasn't necessarily an idiot. I just didn't know what I was doing 5 years ago. So I've been there, done that. But yeah, it would have worked out beautifully. And then, did it use it as resistance on the way back up? No. So you didn't flip bearish. Oh, no. So sorry. You would have. But you can't trade. So you would have been holding tether. Then you would have seen all that happen, come back down, and you would have bought back right where you sold it. So you would have had about the same amount of TRIAS there. Nope, you wouldn't have been able to play that perfectly. But you would have freaked out saying, oh no, I'm holding tether and TRIAS went up 14%. Well, cool your tits. Wait 2 days, and now, right where you sold it, you could buy the bitch back. If you just freaking wait. Because it always touches this line. That's the beauty of this line. It always gets touched no matter what. You cannot go too far above this line ever. There is a limit. It's a mean reversion. It will always come back to it. And if it goes too far below, it will always go back up to it. So look at this. So like a rubber band, it got stretched too far below. What did it do? Snapped. And I have a team leader that's one of his favorite plays. Not necessarily on this line, but the idea of mean reversions. Yeah, you can literally, folks, you could potentially make a living off of trading the 1 hour 200 EMA and have no other strategies. Seriously. It is, but not all coins fit it perfectly. But with TRIAS right now, I mean, it is the line. It is with most cryptos, including Bitcoin, because it's the daily 10. There you go, TRIAS. That's how to play it, folks. Or that's one way to play it. There are many ways to play it.